Hello, my friend, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to share these products with you today. One of them is a redo of a design I did for another company. I now own all my designs, so I'm reintroducing them to you, and I've changed this one quite a bit. The other one is a new Stephie doll. Yay! Now, I know you've been waiting for another Stephie doll, and I know you're waiting for a Kenny doll. Coming soon, give me time, but it's coming. But this Stephie doll is so me. Remember the last one was with the little puppy dog? Well, this one, and actually it's funny because that one's with the little weenie dog, and we tease that it's Tiffany's dog, Petey, because Tiffany from Totally Tiffany has a weenie dog named Petey, so we always say it's Stephanie with Petey. Because how many cookies can we have in our life, right? Well, there's only one real cookie. But sorry. Anyway, this Stephie doll is doing another thing that's my favorite, and I'll just have to show her to you now because it's so awesome. Are you ready for this? It is Stephie Doll 2. And she's at the beach, because most of you know by now that I love the beach. I love to go to the beach. I don't necessarily love the sand part of the beach, but I love just the environment of the beach. I just love the waves. I love just sitting on the sand and just praying and thinking and playing in the sand with the kids. So that's what this one is. And so it's Stephie doll in the sand, building a sandcastle. And it says, "Sandcastle Princess, I love you to the beach and back. Life's the beach and living the beach life," which I wish I could live the beach life. Now, of course, there are dies that match, and I'm going to move this over. Now, this sun might look a little familiar to you. This is similar to the sun triplets I designed way back. And we've gotten so many requests for that sun again, over and over again. And we didn't want to bring back the triplets necessarily. So I added the happy face to it, and now it is a stamp with a stamp and die. So yay, exciting, right? And look how cute she is. Now, I also want you to notice, like you're thinking, oh, well, I don't want a Stephie doll with blonde hair or whatever. I have so many samples to share with you. She can be any ethnicity. Oh, that's a big word for me. Okay, so that's the one item. Now, the other item that I wanted to share is a center step-up card. Some of you might have this when I released it with another company, but all the insert dies are going to be completely different. And I just kind of gave this a refresh, and it needed a refresh. A lot of you don't even have this because I came out with it so long ago, so it's going to be brand new to you. And the fun thing about this one is I added the words "Happy Birthday" in a fun font, and I also added "Thanks for being my friend." And the samples I have to share with you today are outstanding. Now, something that people tell me all the time when I visit, they come see me at the expos or the conventions, or whenever I see them, and they get to see all of our displays. When you see the cards in person, they are even more spectacular. I mean, I show them to you on video and you get to see them, but it's so two-dimensional because you really can't see them. When you come see us in person, almost every single person says the cards look so much better in person because you get to see the dimension, you get to see the layers. So just know that if you ever get to come see us at a convention or an expo or a pop-up shop or a class or anything, you want to look at the samples because the samples will always just kind of really just like make even more sense to you. So let's look at the center step-up cards first. This is the first one, and I want you to also know that all of these flowers and that little vine come in the kit. So it comes with Happy Birthday. It also comes with Thanks for Being My Friend. So here's one sample, and look how they stand up. Now, also important to notice, this will fit in an A2 size envelope. So yay, isn't that awesome? I know, it's so cute. Here's another one that has a happy birthday, and using our online class little guys. Oh, it has Celebrate on the inside. Oh, here's a pretty one. Thanks for being my friend. There you can see those flowers, even more exciting. And I love how these just pop up. Oh, this one got a little glued, extra glue. There we go. Look at that. And you can see the dimension in there, which I really love. Now, when you run this through your die cut machine, and it's just going to run it through, this is one big die, it runs through, it's going to score it for you in all of those places. And you're literally just going to fold it, and pop. And look at that. Isn't that awesome? So easy and so fun. I want you to notice how Sandra did this a little differently. Here we have the arm go down to a point and then back up. Here the arm goes up and then back down. So it's just a little bit different of a fold, completely different look. There's no wrong way, there's no right way. It's have fun with it, right? It's all about having fun. It also comes with these layering dies. See that rectangle layering die? It comes with those rectangle dies to layer, as well as a layering die for the front. So I tried to think of everything on this one. Here's another one with it folded in the front. Happy birthday. Here's another, oh my gosh, I told you I had a lot of samples. Thanks for being my friend. My design team kind of went crazy with this one because they were just so happy to have this shape back. Happy birthday. Here's another one. So you can see all the different, and make sure you go to our gallery. You can see these up close a little bit better if I'm going too fast for you. But I want you to see this one die. We're just using different papers for every single one. And those don't even have any extras added. Those are just what comes in the kit. So you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now here's one that adds the seashells, which is really fun. Thanks for being my friend. And look at this, turned over, you can use that layering die to add for the outside also. Here's one using our balloons to cut, which is really cute, and our little pudgy doggy. Here's one, thanks for being my friend. I love that. Oh, and here's a beautiful one using our garden set. I just love that. Isn't that fun? So different. Each one is so incredibly different, which I love. And it just adds a little extra dimension. So those are all the step-up ones. Now, let's look at the Stephie doll number 2. Okay, remember how I said she doesn't have to be blonde, just because I am kind of blonde. We won't talk about that. Oh, here's a cute one using the sunglasses from the pineapple set. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? And these box cards. You know how much I love my box cards. Here's a cute Z-fold card with different friends. Look at how fun that is. Isn't that adorable? I love it. That's just a piece of cardstock folded. I love that. And so cute. Red hair, brown hair. Oh, here's a blondie doing her little sandcastle. Oh, this one's just using the sayings. I love you to the beach and back. Oh, here's one with the lighthouse. I love that. There's a really fun lighthouse playground in Newport Beach, and I love to go there. Isn't that fun? Oh, here's another cute one with the little sun. I love that sun. Oh, here's another with the sun. That sun is so cute. We get so many comments about that one. Here's another one using pop-up dots. Life's a beach. And then this one, I forgot to even open this one. This one's exciting. This one is a shaker card with all those fun sequins. Isn't that awesome? Living the beach life. Isn't that fantastic? I love that. And then the inside as well. Now, club members, of course you get the club discount on these products. Go check out our website. Now, if you're not in the club, what are you waiting for? I hear from you all the time when I'm at conventions saying, oh, I thought about joining the club. I just haven't done it yet. It's only $11.95 a month. What do you get for $11.95? One, you get a stamp set sent to you each month. Each month for $11.95, no extra shipping as long as you're in the United States. If you're in California, you have to pay like 50 cents extra for tax or something. But if you're in Canada, it's 50 cents extra for shipping. That's it. That's it. So for $11.95, you're getting a full stamp set each month. It's always very general and themed because it needs to appeal to everyone. And you're getting 15% off our website, 15% off when we come to a pop-up shop near you or a convention or an expo. You're also getting freebie gifts. Every couple months, we like to send out little freebie gifts to our club members. And if you stay in for a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to the website. It's like we're paying you to be a club member, okay? Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Go check out, join the club. You have to join. It's only $11.95 a month. That's the price of like 2 coffees, right? And you're getting fun Happy Mail, which is so much fun. Now, club members, go check it out because you're already getting the discount. If you're not in the club, go join because you are missing out. You don't want to miss out any longer. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure, according to Ben, I'm supposed to tell you, you need to click the subscribe button so you find out when we release new videos. My nephew Ben is like the YouTube genius. So thank you so much. I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.